Dear students, in this session we are going to discuss about the species of concept. So actually species is the basic unit of classification. So here the species, what is the Latin word? So that means kind or appearance. Species is the basic unit of classification of organisms, and this word is derived from the Latin. So here the meaning of species is kind or appearance. So various scientists are described various definitions as species concept. So here John Ray, Linnaeus, Buffon and Charles Darwin are the scientists who described the concept of species. So John Ray described the species as morphologically similar organisms which are from origin of common ancestor. John Ray described the concept of species as morphologically similar of organisms which are from origin of common ancestor in its book called Historia Generalis Plantarum. John Ray described a species concept in his book Historia Generalis Plantarum. So next, Linnaeus considered the concept of species as the basic unit of classification in his book Systema Naturae. Systema Naturae. Buffon described the concept of species as the foundation of evaluation in his book Natural History. So the biological concept of species is popularized in the origin of species book. So this book is written by the Charles Darwin. So biological concept of species evaluation is popularized in the origin of species book, which is written by the Charles Darwin. So these different types of aspects are described by the various scientists. So finally, the concept of species is described as a group of similar individuals sharing common gene pool and freely interbreeding produce fertile offspring is called a species. Species concept is a group of similar individuals which are sharing common gene pool and freely interbreed produce fertile young ones is called a species. So here species considered aspects are there in the concept of species. So let us see that. Reproductively isolated from individuals of other species. Reproductively isolated from individuals of other species is called a breeding unit. So in this aspect, particular species are isolated from other species in reproduction process. That is called species is a breeding unit. Next one. So species are sharing the same ecological niche. Ecological niche means which particular place that the species are living. So that is called ecological niche. So which species are sharing the same ecological niche, that is called as an ecological unit. An ecological unit. So next one, species are showing similarity in the karyotype. That means they having same genetic code. So this is called a genetic unit. So species are having similar structures and functions. Species are having similar structures and functions is called an evolutionary unit. So here, species is a breeding unit. Species is an ecological unit. Species is a genetic unit. Species is an evolutionary unit. So these are the aspects of species. So here, breeding unit means the species are reproductively isolated from other species is called a breeding unit. Ecological unit means so the species sharing the same ecological niche is called a ecological unit. So species having similar karyotype is called a genetic unit. Species having similar structures and functions is called a evolutionary unit. So we can consider the examples for the species concept. So here, Apis indica, Apis mellifera, Apis dorsata and Apis flora. So here, indica, mellifera, dorsata, flora are the different species of a genus is Apis. So Apis is the genus. Indica, mellifera, dorsata, flora, these are the species, different types of species which are included in a genus Apis. So another example, Fertima postuma, Periplaneta americana, Panthera leo. Fertima postuma, Periplaneta americana, Panthera leo. These are the different types of species and belonging to the different genera. These are the different types of species and belonging to the different genera. Here, Fertima, Periplaneta, Panthera. These are the different genera. Postuma, americana, leo. These are the different species. Next, sometimes closely related species with a genus can interbreed, but they produce sterile offspring. Sometimes closely related species of a genera can interbreed, but they produce sterile offspring. Sterile offspring means, so these type of organisms cannot produce offspring by the reproduction process. That is called a sterile offspring. So here we take two examples for the sterile offspring. So mule and hennies are the examples of the sterile offspring. So here male donkey and female horse. male donkey and female horse. When these two different species of a same genus, so these are interbreed. So when these different species are interbreed, they can produce offspring is called a mule. So here male horse and a female donkey. Male horse and a female donkey, when they are interbreed, they can produce sterile offspring is called henning. So these are the examples for the concept of species.